would have received an email. Click on the registration link. To register, create your stuff and password for this account. Confirm that password and make sure they follow all the rules, including that they match. Write your first name and then your last name. Click I agree to the license agreement. Then click submit. A second email will be sent to you with instructions on how to download the app, or you can download it from here. Click on the iOS button to go to the App Store. Tap on the download icon. Once it has finished downloading, then you can tap on the open button. The aTouchAway app should appear on your phone. Tap on it. Choose United Kingdom for country. Tap on OK to be joined to the United Kingdom aTonics network. Tap Sign in to aTouchAway. Here, you'll enter the same email address and password that you used to register with. When done, tap on Sign in to aTouchAway. Tap Allow to receive notifications, and you'll be brought to the home page. Keep an eye on the top right View History section. If ICU staff messages you, you'll see a red dot there. Tap on that. Here you can see the message delivered to you by the ICU staff. Tap on that to see it. From here on out, you can coordinate via text on when to have the video call. Tap Accept to receive the call. Allow access to your microphone. Tap OK. And allow access to your camera. Tap OK again. And that's it, you'll be connected. Please note that only the ICU can initiate the call.